Trading days, January the 4th, 2015. Happy New Year to anyone listening. We're now in the 12th week of the primary cycle, or the nominal 18-week cycle. First of all, we defined this window some time ago, a few weeks ago, where they were expecting the trough of the 18-week to fall. 18 weeks would be February the 18th. It could be as low as early as January the 28th. But I'm now looking at the aspects a little further, and I really see March as a strong negative aspect. So I'm suspecting this cycle is going to be a little longer at this point, and if anything, it would be the long end of this red bar, in other words, early March. But I'm really saying it could be later than March. On the chart itself, this is the daily chart of the SP 500. We're down volume, or down last week, but on pretty light volume. And we had this very sharp doji on Friday, again on low volume. Dojis, for anyone not into candlesticks, really means indecision. This one in particular went up early in the morning, spent most of the day losing the gains, and then went up a bit at the end of the day. Note where it went up. It went up almost exactly when it hit the 45-day simple moving average. That's the half cycle to the 90-day. The 90-day is the 18-week. We're dealing in trading days here. Thus my name. And the red, while we're talking about them, the red moving average is the 15-day simple moving average, and that's the half cycle to the six-week cycle. We've got a number of aspects over the weekend, fairly powerful aspects. The actually stronger aspects are the middle of the month, but I wanted to make sure to mention this weekend. And I've got a list of them written in the text. We've got the sun translating or aspecting the Uranus-Pluto square. It's going to square Uranus on Saturday, and later in the day it's going to conjunct Pluto. Now, the following day, those aspects are almost the same, and we're going to get a full moon. In effect, this is going to form a grand square, which is a very powerful aspect, and I'm just going to bring it up here. You don't have to know any astrology to realize that these red lines are a square. Here's our moon and sun, and you'll see they're at the same degrees, or 1 degree off because I'm sloppy. This is going to ignite the Uranus-Pluto square. The sun is almost conjunct Pluto. The moon is opposing it. And what's completing this grand square is this symbol, which is the North Node. If there's any astrologers out there looking at this, well, I know there are, some of these other symbols you may not be familiar with. This is Zeus, this is Apollon. These are the Uranian points, and I use them extensively. I found them very useful. I've got some other points to make about some dates, but I'm going to write it in the text, and that's all on this one. Thank you.